Alright guys, I'm standing here in Ladakh and I gotta tell you, this place is absolutely insane. The mountains here are like nothing you've ever seen before. The way the light changes throughout the day, it's like watching a natural light show. And don't even get me started on Pangong TSO. This lake is so blue, it looks like someone cranked up the saturation in real life. But wait, there's more. We're heading to Rishikesh next, and let me tell you, it's a whole different vibe. You're surrounded by lush green hills, the Ganges River flowing right in front of you. It's no wonder they call this place the yoga capital of the world. The energy here is just wow. And if you're into adventure, the whitewater rafting here is off the charts. Make sure you stick around to see these incredible sights. You won't believe your eyes. Now let's talk about the food because oh my goodness guys, Indian cuisine is a flavor explosion. From the rich creamy curries to the crispy spicy street food, every bite is an adventure. And the best city to experience all this? I'd say Mumbai. It's this crazy mix of old and new, with some of the best restaurants and street food stalls you'll ever find. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Before we wrap up, I want you to do something for me. If you've enjoyed this journey through India's natural wonders and mouth-watering cuisine, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss our next adventure.